If you're looking at buying brand new meme coins, one of the best signs that you can see is that meme coin being compared to some of the biggest players in the industry. Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and Pepe. And that is exactly what we've got with this brand new ICO, this token that is really soaring in demand and potentially seeing some larger inflows right now than a lot of the other major meme coins out there. We're going to be talking about this article, and we're going to be going over Pepe Unchained in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we get Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you guys find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below or the pinned comment. It is very easy, it is safe, it is secure to click Connect Wallet, and then from there you've got these four options. But I like to use Wallet Connect. I open Trust Wallet on my phone and scan this QR code with the QR code scanner there. I click Connect, and it is that simple. From there, you're going to determine how much you want to buy. So let's say you want to grab 2 Ethereum worth. You're walking away with 506,100 Pepe tokens or Pepe Unchained tokens. We'll talk a little bit more about what it is in a second here, but this is the exact sign that you want to see. It's being compared to Pepe. It says Pepe price surges 10% in meme coin rally as Pepe Unchained hits $14 million pre-sale milestone. Now, guys, it's already past $14 million, right? It's $14,176,000. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's probably going to be $14,200,000. But going on, it says, this week's meme coin rally continues to impress investors. Pepe just saw another 10% increase, showing it can still produce double-digit gains. At the same time, Pepe Unchained just passed $14 million in pre-sale. Clearly, frog-themed meme coins are a hot topic right now. Pepe's price rallies. Is the popular frog coin back? Absolutely. I don't think it ever went anywhere. Guys, if you come out here and look at some of the statistics on CoinMarketCap, Pepe, right, number 27 in the world, $3.4 billion market cap, just a, essentially 200% gain away from Shiba Inu coin's market cap, is doing $962 million in volume. Let's round up to $1 billion in volume, right? Shiba Inu coin, only 229 million. Dogecoin, only 680 million. Pepe is doing the volume of Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin combined. Did it really go anywhere? Pepe is one of the top meme coins in the entire world, guys. And Pepe Unchained could follow right along with it. So let's get back into this article. It says, if this momentum continues, Pepe will likely see its 4th green day in a row. But investors aren't getting too excited since Pepe has a long way to go before returning to May's all-time high of 1,700 points per coin, or basically doubling from its current levels. Now, adding to the excitement around Pepe is its trading action. Spot volumes have exploded, reaching roughly $950 million, and that's enough to make Pepe the 9th most traded cryptocurrency in the entire world. Open interest is climbing as well, hitting $54 million. Now, investors are going wild for meme coins following the Federal Reserve interest rate cut. It says it's not just Pepe seeing green, the whole meme coin scene is heating up. The total meme coin market just broke $45 billion, packing on a solid 7% since yesterday. And traders are going wild with spot volumes hitting $7.7 billion. All of the big players are posting gains. Dogecoin's up 2%, Shiba Inu coin's up 3%, Dog with Hat is up 10%, and of course Pepe was up 10% as well. Now, it goes on to say, will Pepe Unchained be the next big meme coin launch? Alongside established meme coins, there's a new coin causing a stir, and it hasn't even launched yet. Pepe Unchained is performing well, having just blown past $14 million in its pre-sale. And crypto Twitter can't stop talking about it. So what's the project all about? I'm going to jump into it. I don't need to read the article for the rest of it here. Pepe Unchained is building a layer 2 blockchain for meme coins. It says Pepe tokens, or Pepe Unchained, is the future of meme coins. It's a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Now, Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem. So if you guys want to get in early before this token ever even launches, you've got 16 hours until the next price increase. So pay attention to that. If you want, you can still stake for 147% annualized interest. Now that is absolutely incredible. A breakdown of the tokenomics show you that staking rewards are 30%, while pre-sale is dedicated to 40% of the tokens, marketing 10%, 7.5% going to liquidity and project development, and on-chain inventory getting 5%. Guys, Pepe Unchained right now is one of the hottest pre-sales in the entire market. And the market right now is getting hotter and hotter and hotter as every day passes. Since the Federal Reserve decided to cut interest rates, we have gone up every single day in terms of the fear to greed index. And we are now, according to CoinStats, at a level of 54 greed. It is just slightly into positive territory. And according to CoinMarketCap, just slightly under neutral territory here at a level of 48 neutral. 50 would be extreme neutrality, according to CoinMarketCap. And 50 here is the same deal, except there's no neutral area. It just goes fear straight into greed on CoinStats. So knowing that sentiment is kicking up, knowing that investors believe that lower interest rates are going to cause risky assets to soar in value, they're beginning to buy back into cryptocurrency. And when they begin to FOMO back into cryptocurrency, that's when you're going to see this line right here spike up in value. And prices are going to go wild. Take advantage of it. Make some money. I am here for the gains. I am in Pepe Unchained. I want to know if you guys are buying in. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.